Oh man, if these walls could talk, they still couldn't tell you what we're doing inside. State-of-the-art tech, cutting-edge research, all with an unwavering focus on safety. Our people have a long tradition of how to make things work. That's why, in all the world, we are getting to solve the best kind of problems, right here. How to make rubber, wire, and tires even better, so we can stay competitive, so we can make jobs safer and available to even more people, so we can build tires for vehicles that are still being dreamt of, and the solutions we make will travel the world. Inside these walls, we're building our future.